Hello, hello, beautiful people, and welcome to our next LinkedIn episode, which is about how do I cancel LinkedIn Premium and avoid unwanted charges. I'm Marie, the CEO and founder of Mario Levy Ltd, the leadership transformational company for founders, entrepreneurs, CEO, and leaders who wants to upgrade their personal brands or also create it and also switch their mindset towards the high performance through strategy and health. So let's take a look at this beautiful question that came from the crowd. How can I cancel LinkedIn Premium and avoid unwanted charges? So, LinkedIn Premium offers a range of features such as enhanced profile visibility, email messages, and detailed insights about your network. However, you might find that you no longer need these features, or perhaps you want to take a break from the service. So, canceling LinkedIn Premium is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow the right steps to avoid unwanted charges. So, let's take a look on how to cancel your subscription without any hassle. So, first of all, why somebody would want to cancel LinkedIn Premium? There are three reasons. So, the first one, or actually three reasons that I know about. So, the first one is you no longer need the extra features. The second, really common, budget concerns. And the last one, switching to a different plan. So you can actually decide that you want to get another premium, another subscription, or even another platform. That's also very valid. Why? So, how to cancel LinkedIn Premium and avoid unwanted charges? First of all, log into your LinkedIn profile. Go to your LinkedIn profile, click on your Me icon, and here we will go to the account settings. Then you click on setting and privacy, and here we will select the account and manage the premium. So it should be here, manage premium account. And here you can simply select the cancel subscription. When you click on this, and then LinkedIn will ask you for confirmation. Be sure to read the cancellation policy, especially regarding refunds or the end of your current billing cycle. Then, after you confirm the cancellation, LinkedIn will show a confirmation message. Your premium features will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle, so you can still use them until then. I want to also cover some of the best practices and also the mistakes to avoid. So when you have this, when you want to cancel the premium, then there are like four best practices. First one is that you should make sure that you cancel your LinkedIn Premium subscription at least a few days before the next billing cycle to avoid being charged for the next month. The second one is review the billing date to ensure you are not charged for a full month after you have already made your decision to cancel. The third one is that you should consider switching plans. So if you are still interested in some of LinkedIn Premium's features but don't need the full suite, then explore LinkedIn's other plans, which might be suitable. And then the last best practice is before canceling, try to reassess the value LinkedIn Premium actually adds to your professional needs. So you might maybe not know how to use it at the end of the day. So maybe you might find that some of the features like advanced search filters or job insights are actually worth keeping. So maybe this is worth to explore. And I also have four mistakes to avoid for you. So the first one is don't cancel without first reviewing which features you are using most often. Some features might be worth keeping depending on your job search or networking needs. Then the second mistake that the people usually do is that LinkedIn may automatically renew your subscription if you haven't canceled it in time. So be aware of this so you can avoid unwanted charges. Then the third one is about not understanding the cancellation terms. So some LinkedIn Premium subscriptions offer a refund or provide access to premium features until the end of the billing period. So understand what happens when you cancel to avoid any surprises. And the last mistake that people do is that you should be sure to double check that your cancellation has gone through successfully, and that LinkedIn might show a confirmation. Usually you should receive an email about it, and but it's always good to review your billing setting to ensure that everything was correct. And this is it. So we just answered the question from the crowd. How do I cancel LinkedIn Premium and avoid unwanted charges? So canceling LinkedIn Premium is simple, but it's also crucial to be aware of the timing and billing cycle to avoid unwanted charges. And by following the steps outlined that we just said, you can ensure that you are only paying for the service you need, which is important. So this was it. If you want to know more about other tips on LinkedIn and beyond, go to mariolevy.com and click on the articles. Here we are sharing on daily basis LinkedIn tips, so you can know more about LinkedIn and beyond, like leadership, for example. And definitely also find me on LinkedIn. Connect with me if you want to receive a free branding template. Just write me that you're coming from this episode and hit the subscription and notification button on the YouTube. I'm Marie, the CEO and founder of Mario Levy Ltd, the leadership transformational company for founders, entrepreneurs, and leaders who wants to upgrade or create personal brand and also switch their mindset towards the high performance, true strategy, and health. So I will see you next time. Bye.